Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need the basics before you connect: a working router and the correct SSID and password. Start by opening Settings and turning Wi-Fi on. This makes networks visible. Make sure location services are enabled if your phone hides networks for privacy. Once Wi-Fi is enabled, scan the list for the exact network name. Networks can look similar. Tap the SSID you want. Your phone will prompt for a password, which you should enter carefully because most networks are case-sensitive. Now you pick and sign in. Locate your SSID and check the signal bars to avoid weak connections. Tap the network, then enter the password exactly as provided. This is where most errors happen, so double-check capitalization and special characters. Once you tap Connect or Join, your phone negotiates encryption and IP assignment with the router. This can take a few seconds. Make sure to designate the network as private if you trust it, because that enables device discovery. Finish by verifying that your phone shows connected and has an IP address in Wi-Fi settings. Then open a browser or app to test internet access. If pages fail to load, forget the network and rejoin using the correct password, because cached credentials can be wrong. If that fails, restart your phone and the router to clear temporary faults. One key troubleshooting tip: test another device on the same network to tell whether the problem is the phone or the router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.